Okay, here's the situation. You're at your friend's house and you wanted to use their Wi-Fi, but here's the thing: you don't know their password, or you could just be at a place waiting, and you wanted to use their Wi-Fi network, and you have no idea what the password is. And so in this video, I will show you how to connect to Wi-Fi without using a password. So what you want to do is look for the router, and of course every router has different configurations. But if you look at the very back of the router, but for most modems, it'll actually have a WPS button. I guess in this case, for this router, it says here at the middle, at the very back, it's a small button. It says WPS label on it. And so what you want to do is press that for a good, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds or so. And if you look here to the very LED light to the front, most routers has a WPS or has like a little recycling looking button, arrows that will blink when the WPS button is actually pressed. And in this case, the power button is blinking at a continuous rate. While it is blinking, what you want to go to is to go to your smartphone. So now that you are on your smartphone, and while the router's WPS light is actually blinking, what you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi configuration and settings, and turn on Wi-Fi if it's not already on, and then click on, do a long press, and you should see here all the available networks that is available. The SSID to that network that I wanted to connect is Fire on Stone, and as you can see, if I click on it, that it requires a password. And so what you want to do is go to to the top right hand corner. There are 3 buttons where it says Advanced Wi-Fi. And while you're at it, make sure that you connect quickly, because the WPS light will actually blink for a minute or 2, depending on your router. If it's not blinking while it's not connected, you'll have to redo this all over again. And so what you want to do is click on the Advanced Wi-Fi, and you should see here where it says Connect by WPS button. Click on that, and while it is searching for the network, and it shows here that it's actually connected, and found the it found the network. And so click on OK, and as you can see here on my Wi-Fi connection list, that it is connected to Fire on Stone network. And that is it, guys. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe, and see you next time.